Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the After Effects lag preview lagging, the After Effects preview lagging. So as you can see, this is my After Effects working very smoothly. So let me show you how you can fix it. Go to the first per Edit Preferences and go to the Display. Once you're there, just uncheck the hardware acceleration. Okay. Once you uncheck, click OK, and then again go to the preview and make sure to select the zoom quality faster, and this one is faster, and GPU, make sure to use the total memory at maximum. As you can see, I maximize like from 6,000 to, if I select 12,000, it's more than 12,000. If I select 20,000, let me select the 20,000. Let's see how much it's give. Actually, as you can see, it's give 12,000. So this is the maximum. Click OK. Then again, go to the preferences and preview. Once you're there, make sure to select 1/8 and click OK. Then again, make sure to select the third or half. So once you render, do not select full. If you have a high-end PC like high-end graphic card, you can select full, but select half. And then again, go to the uh, edit. And then it's time we need to go to the media cache and select maximum disk cache. I select 50 gigabytes, enable the cache disk, and then empty the disk cache. And also, we need to empty the clean database. Every time once you complete the project or during the project, do this. The next thing is we need to go to the memory and performance. Make sure to select the maximum minimum for the other and enable this multi-frame rendering as well, and click OK. Then again, go to the purge all cache and clear all caches and all the disk as well. So once you've done this, then next thing is very important. Go to the setting, graphics setting, and make sure in the list if you have After Effects. If not, just search it if you have. If not, just click Add Desktop and make sure to this one is select a hardware accelerating GPU. It's enable. Then go to the C and just pick your After Effects, Adobe support file, and then After Effects. Once you're done, click this arrow and do not select the lit window. Just select the high performance because I have NVIDIA RTX 4060. And once you've done this, just close this and your After Effects will working fine. Just restart After Effects and it will fix the lag preview problem. If you like my video, make sure to subscribe for more amazing cool tips and tricks of After Effects. Thank you so much.